Hey guys, D Brooks here with another video. On my way to drive line 1 to get my drive shaft for the Regal. I should be getting there here in the next like 5 minutes. They were able to make me a drive shaft. All I had to do was give them 2 measurements. Hopefully it works. So you guys will see in a minute. Alright guys, so I am really close to drive line 1 drive shaft. So we're close. Alright. But they sell clutches and everything. Man. Yeah, guys, so I'm here with Jack from the back, or Jack in the back?
Jack from the back.
Jack from the back at drive line 1. So
I'll go get your drive shaft for you.
all right, brother. All right, and you guys take credit card, right?
Yep.
Cool. So let me get this paid for real quick. All right, guys, so this is the drive shaft. Man, this is nice. So just put that bad boy in, we'll be good to go. Video, just getting ready to put this drive shaft in. Picked this up from drive line 1 in Columbus, Ohio. If you guys seen my pictures earlier, you know what it is already. If you haven't, I think it's a 3-inch steel drive shaft. They put the U-joint, but it's like fixed. And then the yoke, they put that on there for me as well. So they took care of me. They even gave me the hardware for this, so I can hold it right in. As you can see, it's balanced. Got the weights welded on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide it in. So, let's see. And of course, I'm gonna take this stuff off when I get down there. Let's just see when I get out. Got the drive shaft in, which was easy. You know, I had to figure some things out, but for the most part, it was pretty easy, you know. So let's take a look at how much that yoke went in after it went in. I mean, I don't know. Is it supposed to be that much here now? All right, guys, so if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe and smash the bell. Peace.